Storage space in the Jeep can be a bit scarce. Smittybilt will solve that problem with the G.E.A.R front seat covers for all year Wranglers. This will double up on providing some great protection to your Jeep's factory seats and provide many storage options for your off-road adventures, or even if you just want to be prepared for your everyday adventures. Not to mention, this seat cover gives a very military style look and just looks badass, making a difference on your Jeep's interior. I think the military guys are really going to like this one a lot, since you can attach all of your existing pouches that you may have. Seat covers are always an easy install, so this gets a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me, and I'll tell you guys more about that in just a moment. These seat covers not only look tough, they are tough. These are made of a 600 denier poly fabric and lined with PVC liner that makes them strong and durable, and most importantly, it makes them waterproof. The fabric, being polyester material, will not be as spongy or as comfortable as some of the neoprene seat covers out there, but this does have a pretty comfortable feel to it. The seat cover will provide some pretty good protection, and even though it doesn't cover the full seat all around, it does do a good job at covering all the places that you'll be sitting. There are heavy-duty, thick Velcro straps that attach around the side and loop through a hoop system, which makes it good for adjustment and easy install and removal. These will make sure that you get a tight fit every time and that the seat cover doesn't shift around when you're getting in and out of the Jeep. For the storage in the back, there are 7 total attachments that come with this cover, but there are a lot of other options out there. You can attach them to the back, and there's even an option for attaching the pouches on the side. And like I said before, if you have a backpack that uses Molle or PAL style attachment systems, then you can remove them from the cover and attach them to your backpack, or vice versa. These covers also come in tan and green options, as well as the black, so you have a choice for your style. There's really nothing like this on the site right now. They're listed at right around $110 at the moment, and I think the only drawback that you can take out of this is that it's sold individually and not in a pair. But you do have to keep in mind that you're not just getting a seat cover here. You have a lot of other options on what you can store and use in the back of the seat cover. We do have other options for a seat cover vest that come in a pair, but they have smaller pockets on the back, they're less durable material, and they don't have as many options for storage systems and attachment systems. Overall, there are not too many of these specific storage covers on the site, making it a more unique cover to have. Install, like I said before, is a breeze at 1 out of 3 wrenches, so give yourself about 10 to 15 minutes to get this seat cover fully installed. Really, all you have to do is lay the cover over the seat and Velcro the sides through the loop and pat it down. Then put the bottom portion over the seat and attach all the hooks underneath. After that, you can attach all of your pouches and you're all set. So if you're looking for some badass storage and protection for your factory seats, Smittybilt has your back. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.